Arduino complete course from basic to advanced level. Here we have an Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno, and we have this is Arduino Mega. This Arduino Mega. So this is a PS2 joystick. PS2 joystick. Here you have a distance sensor which works with your ultrasonic sensor. Your distance sensor, it works with your ultrasonic sensor. Your distance sensor. So you now have your DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. DHT11, and now you have your digital display, 7 segment display, but 4 of them. So you now have your relay module. So if you plan to divide the flow of current between two devices, this is what you use, your relay module. You have your 7 segment display. Your 7 segment display. So now you have your LCD screen, 1602 LCD screen display, liquid crystal display screen. So you have this great device. This device work with your your stepper motor. So you see I'm going to put the stepper motor terminal on this circuit board, which helps to boost the torque. So you have this grid sensor, which um, so you have your potentiometer. So this is your RFID kit. Your RFID kit. Radio frequency identity. Radio frequency ID. Then you have your Mark 7219 LED matrix. Mark 7219 LED matrix. Eight rows, 8 columns, 64 LEDs. So you have your buzzer, your piezoelectric buzzer. So there are different types of buzzer. They make noise just like a beeping sound. So you have your IR flame sensor. You have your HCO5 Bluetooth, module. Your HCO5 Bluetooth module. In order to go wireless, you need this to go wireless. It has a power of 3.6 volts to 6 volts. Your HCO5 Bluetooth module. You have your button, your switch, on and off switch. You also have a buzzer. Also, it's also a buzzer too. So you have your servo motor. This is your servo motor. Use it for also making drones. The other subsequent courses will be explaining each of them, and also using the source codes. So this is your water sensor. Check water level. Your water sensor. So you also have your ultrasonic sensor, which is attached to your servo motor. So in case you want to have a rotating, ultrasonic sensor that can sense in all direction, this is it, your ultrasonic sensor, your servo motor. Then you have your breadboard in which you want to put your components, your circuit. You want to put your circuit labeling on it. You also have your IR remote, infrared remote, your IR remote. So you have your IR remote and your RFID set. So this is your keypad, 4x4 keypad, 4x4 keypad. You also have your LED bulbs, green, yellow, red. Have your LED bulbs in case you want to do a project in regards to traffic lights. You have a lot of LED bulbs. And you have our switch. This is a terminal which will be attached to your Arduino, which can be also be connected to your battery. So as you are seeing, I'm connecting it to the my Arduino Mega. Then I'm going to get a 9-volt battery. This is my 9-volt battery. Then I'm going to now connect it to it. So you can see there is a light display. So if you want it mobile without connecting to your system, you have your battery here. As you can go 9-volt battery. So also want to try test it with my Uno. So this my Uno is the same thing as Mega, but Mega is very efficient than Uno because of the numbers of keys Mega has. So I want to now connect it. So now I'm going to put my battery. So you can see there's a light displaying. So whichever of it that suits your application, you can use any of them. So Mega by my right, Uno by my left, and this is the adapter cable which will be used to connect your system when you want to upload codes from your system to your Arduino. So you connect it here, and then it has this USB terminal, as you can see, USB terminal which will connect your system. So these are my wires. Yeah, male to female, female to male, male to male, female to female. So these are different types of cables. So I have one cable here. So I'm currently connected to my breadboard. In case you want to implement a circuit diagram, you follow it, connecting it. You just how to connect it. Divided into rows and columns. Subsequently, in our subsequent course, I'll be explaining everything in details. So this is my photoresistor. It's very small photoresistor. It receives signals from the light. It's very sensitive to light. Thank you. Please kindly like, share and subscribe to this video's channel for more so that it can keep me motivated to do more of this. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share.